Hey, what's up? This is KH for After Effects tutorial channel. Today I want to show you how to make a TVC of juice with 3D camera tracking and Element 3D. Let's start. Create a new project, create a new composition from footage, then select your video. So where is the video? This one. Select the video and turn off the audio. Just 10 seconds is enough. So go to composition, trim come to work area, and then right click, pre-compose, move all attributes. Right here, drinking video. Okay, turn off again the audio and go to workspace. Select the motion tracking because I want to track the camera movement. So go to track camera and wait. So here is the result of camera tracking. Select the point that is here. Select, right click, create null in camera and play. There is the null object, so right click, create new solid 3D liquid, press enter. Don't forget, save the project and go to effects, video copilot, element 3D. Then go to effect control, select the scene set up. Then you must have the package of motion design. Here is a lot of elements of the motion design. Select one of them and rotate. There is a lot of samples of the motion design liquids. Rotate and go to presets, pro shaders. Apply the soda juice, or you can apply the clear just like a water material. Go to physical, apply the glass and select clear and go to blend, add. Go to environment, change the environment, select this one and change the lighting 360 and press OK. There is the water element 3D and go again, apply this orange soda material, press OK. So don't forget, go to group 1, particle replicator, and there is position X, Y and Z. Select the track null, press P for the position and copy, apply the first position, copy the second, apply, and the third, apply. Select the element 3D and go to particle look, change the size and move up, and scale up, go to rotation, rotate, play now. Here is the result of the 3D tracking. And don't forget, go to render setting, lighting, 360, select the lighting and go back to scene setup, apply other 3D elements like a fresh food, select the orange, set group 2, scale down the size and set the strawberry, select group 3, scale down the size and go to go back to effect control, element 3D, close this one. Before closing, little bit down and close the group 1, go to group 2, particle replicator, copy again the positions, copy, paste, and copy, paste. So now move up, set the ring and set the copy count and shape scale, go to rotation, set a sphere like a sphere, so scatter, set the random scatters and let's find the random rotation. Where is the random rotation? Here is the position, nice amount, random seeds. Let's go back to rotation. There is the rotation, shape option, random. Don't forget, there is another option, particle look, multi-object. Turn on the multi-object for the displays, rotation random. Make it like this, displays, size random, group 2, sphere, shape, scale, set the count 12. 12 is enough. Move up, play, looking good. And there is the scatter, a different scatter, and multi-object, turn on, size, rotation, displays, random. Let's control the rotation from here. And let's check the scale, randomize, displays, scatter, multi-scattering, control the particle size and go to group 3, particle replicator, copy again, position null object track, copy the second position, copy the third position, and set the sphere, set 13, and scale up the size, move little bit up, go to particle look, set the size and set the random size to 50, and don't forget, go back to multi-object turn on, standard, size, random size, everything is okay. Let's go to rotation. Let's control the rotation and press Ctrl S, save the project. So go back to lighting, rotation lighting, little bit brighter, so close again, and go to scene setup, motion design, liquids. How about this one? Move it group 4, and let's say the material for this. Press OK and close the other groups and copy again the null object track on position of group 4 and set the size like a splash burst. Press Ctrl or Shift for fast moving up. Here let's change the materials for this one. Which materials looking good, better? Set add, press OK. Here is let's set the material like water, physical, set glass material and set to add, press OK. Here is looking nice. Scene setup. So go back to motion design and liquids. No control for splash drops count. There is no control. Press OK. First move it down, select group 5 and set yellow, add, press OK, Let's set track node position of group 5, and go back to scene setup and close this one, apply this material, press OK, and don't forget, press shift. Let's move up or down and go to motion blur, turn on the motion blur, press Ctrl S, let's render. Scene setup, let's turn off the group 5, press OK. Okay, dear friends, this is the result of the project. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like and subscribe the channel. See you next time.